Akua Donkor, February 1952, 28 October 2024, was a Ghanaian farmer and politician. She was the founder and leader of Ghana Freedom Party, GFP. Early life. Akua Donkor was born in February 1952 and hailed from Ejiratia in the Afigya district in the Ashanti region of Ghana, then the Gold Coast. She was a cocoa farmer by profession and was not known to have had any formal education. Personal life. Akua Donkor birthed a daughter who goes by the name Ama Serwa Bonsu. Akua Donkor was initially an assemblywoman for the Heman electoral area in the Afigya district of the Ashanti region. 2012 election. She applied to contest as an independent candidate in the 2012 election to become president of Ghana, but was disqualified by the Electoral Commission on accounts of not meeting the requirements set for the election. She later decided to give her support to Pa Kwesi Nduom of the Progressive People's Party. 2016 election. In January, months before the elections, Donkor's GFP headquarters located at Kabu in the eastern region was gutted by fire. Speaking on the incident, Donkor said the disaster was a test which would not deter her quest to become the president of Ghana. However, on October 10, 2016, the Ghana Electoral Commission announced the disqualification of Akua Donkor, together with 12 other presidential candidates from contesting December 7th election. She admitted that her nomination form was fraught with errors, as pointed out by the Electoral Commission. She called on members and executives of the party not to lose hope, as the party would come back in 2020 to contest the presidential race. 2020 election. In 2020, Donkor was among the 3 female presidential candidates to be cleared to contest the 2020 presidential elections. 12. Out of the 12 candidates that contested, she came 5th. 2024 election. Donkor successfully filed her nomination to contest in the 2024 presidential elections, 14, and placed number 3 on the ballot paper. 15. Later, Donkor threatened to take John Dramani Mahama, the 2024 presidential candidate for the National Democratic Congress, to court over derogatory comments on her qualification as a presidential candidate during an inter-party advisory committee meeting, which was held on the 15th of October 2024 in Accra. The Ghana Freedom Party named Philip Appiah Kubi as a flag-bearer replacement for Akua. However, he was disqualified due to errors and illegitimate information found in his nomination form. 18. Campaign promises. Donkor promised to implement free education